Hey, what's up, Imani? Shit, what we got?
Young dude, snappy dresser. Took me like 2 seconds to find his Life Invader profile. He's a club promoter.
Now, you sure he's the one with Dre's phone?
Well, his status is 1,000 likes, and this god is leaking the most exclusive tracks you've ever heard to 100 exclusive ticket holders. So,
Damn. So where do we find him?
according to the Ride app, he went from the club to the marina.
Shit, I guess we'll start there. Hey, what's up?
Okay, when you find the Toro, start it up. Get the onboard GPS working, and if we're lucky, it'll have a recent destination or waypoint or something.
Alright, look, don't tell me. He got a fucking super yacht offshore, right? You see them dudes coming on shore in Toros all the fucking time.
Get out there and take a look around it. Maybe we'll find a clue.
And look, watch out for security, alright? There's always security.
Our weapon system is up.
Look out! I think the yacht's got anti-air on it. Get the fuck out of the airspace.
Okay, we're looking for anything that'll help us work out where he's holding the party. If you see anything, just snap a pic and send it to me. That's Dre, and that's the Diamond Casino.
So that's where he gonna leak Dre's tracks, huh?
Yeah, I bet. I'll check it out.
Alright, shit, job done. Hey, partner, get off the boat.